In this video, we'll be looking at the mandible scan strategy. We'll explain in detail while looking at the scan data. Place the scanner tip in the area to be scanned and press the scan button. If you press the button outside of the mouth, the scanner may catch unnecessary data. Therefore, please place the tip in the mouth and start the scan. Start with the distinctive shape on the occlusal surface of the posterior teeth and proceed to the anterior teeth. Due to the sharp incisal edges of the anterior, please take a zigzag course to obtain both labial and lingual surface data. Complete the anterior scan, then move to the occlusal surface of the opposite posterior teeth. As you can see on the screen, please tilt the tip toward the lingual side. Then the gingiva, teeth, and occlusal surfaces in the live view screen will be scanned in the ratio of 1:1:1. Continue again from the anterior to the posterior teeth. Move the scanner to the buccal and scan in the same way while keeping the teeth, gingiva, and occlusal surfaces visible on the live view screen. Make sure to capture the gingiva since it helps align the occlusion. By scanning once, it may not perfectly capture all the data. You may check the first scanned data and perform additional scanning if there are any holes in the scan. Let's summarize the mandible scan strategy. First, start with the distinctive shape on the occlusal surface. Scan the anterior teeth in a zigzag motion to capture both the buccal and lingual. Scan the teeth, gingiva, and occlusion in about a ratio of 1:1:1. Utilizing the Smart Scan filtering option will make your scanning much easier.